Hello,
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. Yeah.
So, what's your name?
My name is Idi. Yeah, we'll begin with that. What's your name?
I'm Sultan.
Sultan. Nice to meet you, Sultan. Thank you for calling. I'm originally from Thailand. I was born in Thailand. However, I grew up in Canada.
Mhm.
Currently, I'm residing in Turkey.
Wow.
Yeah.
So, why did you move to Turkey?
Well, actually, it, from Canada, I didn't go to Turkey directly. I first went to Malaysia because I had some friends there and I think a relative there as well. And then from Malaysia, me and my younger sister, we went to Jordan.
Mhm.
And from Jordan, we went to Turkey. Yeah, I
Wow,
came to Turkey. Yes.
that's cool. That's pretty cool.
Hmm.
So, I am originally from Pakistan, but I live in Saudi Arabia now.
Is it? How long have you been in Saudi Arabia?
It has been 3 years.
Nice.
Yeah.
And why? So you asked me the same question. Why did you move to Saudi Arabia?
Uh, Primarily for work. I came here for work. 3 years ago, I got this opportunity to come and teach here.
Ah,
So yeah, so I
awesome.
teach here. Yeah,
Oh, okay. In like a school, high school or
yeah,
something like
it's a school.
that. I see. That's pretty cool. How do you like it there so far? 3 years, I would assume that would be like a year before the pandemic or sometime before the pandemic, and then
Yeah.
you
Hmm.
continued to stay there. I mean,
Yes, maybe 4 months before the pandemic, I came here in 2019. So yeah, after 4 or 5 months, we had pandemic.
right.
Yeah, right. So
Oh,
I would like to ask a question.
of
Uh,
course.
so are you teaching in Turkey?
Yeah, I sometimes teach, I go there intermittently to a language center.
Hmm.
I teach English there. Mostly, I deal here on Cambly. I teach here on Cambly, and I also tutor some private students.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's pretty
not
cool.
like a school or something. Yeah, I don't have
Uh-huh.
like a classroom, so to say.
I understand.
Hmm.
So you said you are from Thailand, right?
Yeah.
What's the basic religion over there?
I guess the majority of the people there are Buddhist.
Buddhist. Oh, okay.
Yes.
Right. Is
Probably more than perhaps over 90%.
okay. Is it
Yeah.
like next to Malaysia?
Yes. So it's north of Malaysia. Hmm.
Okay. Okay. That's
Yeah.
interesting.
Yeah.
Okay.
So Malaysia is the border. Hmm.
Great. Great.
Hmm. You haven't been there, right?
No, I have
Okay.
I have
Yes.
yes.
Would you like to?
Yeah, I like to travel. Uh, I like to come to Turkey as well.
Awesome.
Yeah. So how is living over there?
In Turkey, it's been good so far. Yeah, I really enjoy it. Just like you, I guess, I came a few months before the pandemic. I wouldn't say a few months, perhaps almost a year before the pandemic. And yeah, I continued to stay here. And yeah, I really like it so far. I live in Istanbul. Istanbul is not the capital of Turkey, but it is the biggest city here. It's full of culture. The history here is also very rich. The food here is very delicious, I would say also.
Wow,
Mhm.
that's cool. So what's the capital of Turkey?
Oh, it's called Ankara.
Ankara. Okay. Right.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Because
So
Istanbul is very well known. That's why people mistake it as the capital city.
yes, Istanbul is very famous. If I remember, there is a city named Batman. Is it
You're
right?
right. Yes, I believe that's it's located southeast of Turkey, perhaps. Yeah,
So
Batman.
have you been there?
No, I haven't. Although I have spoken to a Turkish person here
Oh,
on living in Batman, and he gets that a lot. Yeah, like Batman, you're in. Yeah, but he says that the pronunciation is not the same. It's not Batman. It's
then
Batman or something. I'm not too sure.
Batman. Ah,
Hmm.
okay. That's very interesting because
Hmm.
when I came to know about this, I was very surprised that how is it possible?
Oh,
Batman is the name of a city.
yeah. I mean, are you a fan of Batman?
Not really,
Oh,
but like it's you can say it's very unusual to have such a name for a city, especially.
yeah, that's true.
Yeah, yeah.
I guess not a lot of people know that Turkey is a country also. Many
Mhm.
Americans, of course, when you have Turkey and Thanksgiving, that's what you associate the name with. Hmm.
Yeah, yes. So,
So
yes, please go ahead.
yeah, I was just gonna ask you the same question. How do you like Saudi Arabia and Turkey?
Yeah, it's wonderful. Uh,
Mhm.
it's very good, and it's a fantastic experience so far. I have learned a lot of things, and that is actually my first experience to teach in a different country. I
Mhm.
used to teach in Pakistan before, and
Oh,
it's a bit different, I must say.
I see. Yeah. How is it different? I mean, in what terms? Like the students, their behavior, the mentality, is it?
So, first of all, like in Pakistan, I used to teach Pakistani students,
Hmm.
but here the students are from different countries. Uh, the countries which are next to Saudi Arabia and Saudi students, Pakistani students, and different countries students. So this is a new thing for me. And then my co-teachers, they are from different countries. So I have learned a lot from them. The things which I used to like, my perspective has changed, and
Nice.
things like that.
Yeah, that's cool. And what do you teach, by the way? Is there a particular subject that you teach?
I teach English.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
Yes, so we're both the same English teachers. Yeah.
Yes. And I joined Cambly during the pandemic,
Hmm.
and the reason why I joined is to just practice my English with native speakers, especially,
Nice.
and then sharpen my language skill.
Yeah, especially your speaking, because yeah, a lot of people they think that what you learn at school can be translated. It can, of course, but you need to have a lot of practice first, especially listening to how native speakers talk. Sometimes I'm sure you're already aware of that because maybe you've spoken to some Americans. They speak really fast and sometimes their
Yeah,
accents it needs to get yeah you need to be used to it. Mhm.
yeah, that's right. I do agree with you. So, are you like studying over there, or uh, what do you do for a living?
Right now, yeah, I'm here on Cambly. I tutor students.
Mhm.
Like I said, I teach private students as well.
Right.
But currently I'm pursuing a computer science degree online, and
Ah, okay.
yeah, so I'm doing two things at once. Yeah,
Okay.
hopefully. Yes, I mean, like I said before, I used to live in Jordan, and
Mhm.
now I'm in Turkey, and I believe, well, I guess I suppose this is my last year in Turkey.
Mhm.
By the end of this year, I would go back to Thailand, and then yeah, I would choose my next destination again. Yeah.
Okay, that's cool. That's
Mhm.
cool. So, you have been to so many countries, like 2 to 3 countries. How many languages can you speak?
Okay, English being the first one. Arabic, I can speak Arabic
Wow.
fluent. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Um, Thai, I can speak Thai. However, I cannot read or write Thai. And of course, Turkish. I'm still learning Turkish. It's been difficult, juggling between these languages. But yeah, I can speak like the very basic of it. If I
Okay.
go to the convenience store, I can interact with them. However, I don't think I can hold a very complicated conversation in Turkish.
Okay, fantastic.
Yeah.
So, like you said, you can speak Arabic. So, did you learn it in Jordan?
Yes, I was
Uh-huh.
there for 4 years, and yeah, during that time, it was very difficult. I would say. Can you speak Arabic also, Sultan?
Uh, I can't, but I'm also learning Arabic,
Hmm.
and as a Muslim, I can read Arabic.
Oh, of
Uh,
course. Yeah.
and
You can-
secondly, I'm from Pakistan, so our language, our national language, is very similar to Arabic. The alphabets
Urdu,
are the
is it?
same. Yes, that's right.
Oh,
Urdu.
awesome. Yes. Yeah. But I guess it
So,
would be easy
uh-huh.
for you to pick up Arabic as, perhaps your third language.
Yes, it is, but we don't usually get a lot of chance to speak it
Hmm.
or practice it. Because in school, since it is an international school, so we speak English.
Hmm.
But I want to learn Arabic. I started learning Arabic like 2 years ago.
Yeah.
I studied it for 4 months, and then I quit.
Oh.
Now I have, yeah, yeah. Now I
Was
have
it too
started
difficult?
learning it again. Sorry?
Oh, awesome. I mean, like, was it too difficult for you?
No, no, no. I was doing it while I was at home. There was nothing to do, so
Mhm.
I wanted to be productive.
All right.
So I was learning. Then our school is started, so
Mm-hmm.
I didn't have too much time for
Mm-hmm.
it. That's
I
why.
see.
Now I have started it again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One of the obstacles that you'll meet is that you know the Arabic that you learn from your textbooks, your classes, it will be different from the spoken Arabic that people use, in the streets.
That's right. Yeah.
Yeah. So that was really difficult for me because I had to essentially learn two languages at once. What I
Uh-huh.
learned from my classroom cannot be applied to, my friends, the people I meet in the streets.